Adya.
Green.
Green, very good. Adya. Pink.
Jai Gurudev. My name is Adya, and today I would like to tell you about my experience at Vidyaramba Gurukula. So, when I first came here, I was confused. Why do we even need to come here? When will we ever need to close our eyes and see? I have eyes, they're working fine. Why do I need to come here? But then, after I came here, after a few days, you know what I realized? It's not just, the goal is not to read, write, and identify colors blindfolded. That's not the goal here. What we came here for is to activate our pineal gland and turn on that intuition in your mind. So, intuition helps you a lot with identifying what's right, what's wrong, decision making. And let me tell you, coming here is one of the best choices I have ever made. If I wasn't here right now, I would just be sitting at home. But after coming here, I do not feel any negativity at all. I feel very positive, I feel fit, I feel healthy, I have a good appetite, and I am truly very happy with the routine here. And I would also like to tell you that I became a different person after coming here. I used to shout and scream all the time, but now I'm calm, I'm composed, I can understand things. And I also feel that the every evening meditation sessions, they made me one with God, they made me surrender to God. Another thing I love here is that we get to go out into the nature every single day. We have a healthy lifestyle and we wake up every day in the morning. And I love Guruji's stories that he tells us, all the lessons that he teaches us. And I feel that all the acharyas and Gurujis have come to us in the form of God. Thank you so much, Guruji. Thank you all the acharyas. Thank you, Amma, for bringing me here with all of my friends. And thank you all of my dear friends who helped me. And I would once again like to thank everybody. And I really love staying here.
Jai Gurudev. I just came across Guruji to an Instagram thing. Every day we have these flashes of Instagram and Facebook advertisement saying different forms of educating ourselves or our kids. But somehow, for some good reason, I felt it so divine, I felt it purposeful. I did not feel a glance of commercial thing. It's just not my feeling. Like through the interaction with Guruji, I realized he's not at all commercial. He has a great vision to bring in the form of Gurukula system to our great Indian culture. We have the great culture of Gurukula system, which has completely deteriorated these days, and he has that super vision of bringing that lifestyle again. And this is just a beginning. I feel so fortunate and blessed to be a part of that beginning, to be a part of this community. Like many parents, even I was skeptical about what this practice is all about. Why do we have to get blindfolded? Is it actually real? Is it actually working? With all that curiosity and interest, and after coming here, when Guruji said, it is not just about seeing things blindfolded, it is more about tapping the intuition. It is more about becoming yourself as an individual. I was really curious and I wanted myself to become one among them. I joined as a student and I cannot believe what I've been experiencing. It was not easy. The kids under 16, like Guruji says, their pineal gland is much sensitive and it gets activated quite quicker. But for us, it takes time. It is little harder. With Guruji's blessings in the atmosphere here, I've really tried my best to meet that level, and the experience I've been getting the senses are more active, and with the help of the senses we can actually see things while closing our eyes. The kids here create miracles and magics, and one should be blessed to be a part of this community, and so am I. Thank you so much.